Yo, here's Marcus.
Hello.
He's kind of... Yeah. He's gonna try and sniff at least this much.
Yeah.
This half. Okay, let's see if he can do it. Off you go, Marcus. If he does, then this video has to deserve a like. Good luck, mate.
Good luck to me, innit?
Yeah, look.
At the same time, I'm gonna open a pack, so you know, hopefully the salt pack.
Look, it's literally right on. Put your nose down.
Hold on, ready?
What an angle we've got.
Go.
Open it then.
Alright, open the pack.
You've got to do it before the pack opens. Go.
Birds. And it doesn't even work.
He's done all that for nothing. Leave a like, guys. Leave a like. Subscribe. It's been sick. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. From me, Josh Ramsey, and the ill Marcus. Bye bye.